Hello friends, have you ever filled up your fuel tank and noticed a strong gasoline smell afterward? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0442, this means your car's EVAP system has a small leak, which can reduce fuel efficiency and fail emissions tests. In this video I'll explain what P0442 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. The P0442 error code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Leak, small leak detected. The EVAP system is designed to capture and recycle fuel vapors from the fuel tank instead of letting them escape into the atmosphere. A small leak in this system triggers P0442. Common symptoms of P0442: check engine light, cell, on, slight gasoline smell around the car, minor drop in fuel efficiency, failed emissions test, and rough idle in rare cases. Since it's a small leak, you may not notice major driving issues, but fixing it early prevents bigger problems. The EVAP system has several components that may be causing the leak. Here's where to look. Gas cap, located on the fuel filler neck. A loose or damaged cap is the most common cause of P0442. EVAP purge valve, purge solenoid. Usually found near the engine intake manifold, responsible for controlling vapor flow. EVAP vent valve, vent solenoid. Typically positioned near the fuel tank or charcoal canister, it allows the system to vent. Charcoal canister, located near the rear of the vehicle close to the fuel tank, it stores fuel vapors before releasing them. Fuel tank pressure sensor, found inside or on top of the fuel tank, it monitors pressure levels in the EVAP system. EVAP hoses and lines run between the engine bay, fuel tank, and charcoal canister. Tip: check your car's service manual for the exact component locations based on your vehicle model. So let's talk about the common causes of the P0442 error code. First up, a loose or faulty gas cap. You know, a worn out or improperly closed gas cap is the most common cause. Next, cracked or leaking EVAP hoses. Even a tiny crack in the EVAP vacuum lines can trigger P0442. Another cause could be a leaking charcoal canister. If damaged, the canister may not properly store fuel vapors. Then, there's the faulty EVAP purge valve. A purge solenoid stuck open or closed can disrupt the vapor flow. Don't forget about a defective vent valve. If this valve fails, the system cannot properly vent fuel vapors. And finally, a leaking fuel tank or filler neck. Small rust holes or cracks can cause an EVAP system leak. The P0442 code is usually caused by a small leak in the EVAP system, often due to a loose gas cap or cracked vacuum hose. Fixing it early prevents fuel loss and keeps emissions in check. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0166, O2 sensor circuit slow response, Bank 2 sensor 3, and P0167, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction, Bank 2 sensor 3. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.